Hello, welcome to the Greenview Talk podcast. Today, we will be talking about the article, Everything is Connected, Blackouts on Earth, Heat and Cold, Cyclones in the Sea, Volcanoes and the Sun, Attention to the Planet and to the Sun, written by me, Antonio Fernando Pinheiro Pedro, and my great friend, Rafael Pasic. A Great Connection, Brazil's role in leading COP30, blackouts, floods, severe droughts, cyclones, and heat waves. Our planet is in a state of constant change, and extreme events seem to be intensifying. In Brazil, this reality is no different. Phenomena like El Niño, for example, brought extreme heat and devastating rains in 2023, impacting cities, agriculture, rivers, and energy generation. Science points to an alternation with lanina, which indicates that periods of climate calm are becoming increasingly rare. But the explanation for all of this is not limited to human actions. It's necessary to draw a broader parallel that goes far beyond the traditional climate discourse. While the debate over carbon emissions and deforestation is fundamental, it's not the entire problem. Modern science shows that we are in the midst of a complex system of geological and cosmic cycles that affect our planet in a grandiose way. Brazil, as the host of the next COP30, needs to have leadership that is up to this reality. The event cannot just be a platform for ideological narratives. It is an opportunity to show seriousness, pragmatism, and a focus on real solutions. A perspective beyond carbon. While most focus on what we do on the Earth's surface, scientists and scholars point to factors with a much greater impact. The intense volcanic activity on the ocean floor, for example, especially in the Ring of Fire in the Pacific, heats the waters and directly influences phenomena like El Niño and lanina. It is believed that 3/4 of the planet's volcanic activity occurs on the seafloor, and this has a direct and profound impact on global temperatures. Furthermore, our own magnetic field is changing. Brazil, being in the South Atlantic magnetic anomaly, is especially vulnerable to electromagnetic storms from the sun. Solar phenomena have the power to overload and shut down energy and communication systems, as occurred in the blackout of August 2023. This fragility of our electrical grid, combined with intense solar activity, is a reminder that our dependence on modern technologies makes us more susceptible to forces much greater than ourselves. Brazil's challenge, from lenient leadership to technical resolve. We must have the humility to recognize that science still has much to discover, and that we are part of cycles that transcend human existence. Brazil has a unique chance at COP30 to change the global narrative. Instead of just blaming and grandstanding, the country can lead with a discourse of resilience and adaptation. True Brazilian leadership should focus on the planning, prevention, and mitigation of the impacts of extreme events. Civil defense, urban engineering, and energy security need investment and seriousness, not empty speeches. Brazil, as a country with unparalleled biodiversity and wealth, needs to be the protagonist of a new agenda at COP30. An agenda that does not ignore the urgency of the environmental issue, but frames it within a broader, technically solid vision that includes adaptation and resilience as central pillars. Life continues, ecosystems transform, and the planet remains. The question is how we as a species can adapt to persist through this transition. And for that, management and leadership must be the keywords. Thank you for watching this video and for following us here on the channel. Be sure to share your opinion in the comments. Like and share with your friends and colleagues, as this helps us transmit knowledge to everyone who is willing to learn. See you in the next video.